question tonight. Was it wise for Kate and Jerry McCann to choose this moment to break their silence? This will be widely seen as a controversial interview. For Jerry and Kate McCann are no longer just heartbroken parents. In Portugal, they are also official suspects in Madeline's disappearance. They chose to speak with a Spanish TV station, hoping it will keep Madeline in the public eye. Some believe the 4-year-old might have been abducted to Spain.
I strongly believe that Madeline is out there. Probably in someone's house. I don't know why. I suppose it's a feeling, but I feel, for me, I feel in my heart really. I don't believe Madeline has been taken away from us permanently. It's feelings.